I lightly drew out the butterfly shape, and these are the colors that I pre-mixed to paint the butterfly. We're working in watercolors, and I'm showing you the wet on wet technique. So what I'm doing there is just brushing on clean water. So this is the butterfly that I'm going to paint. I just mixed all the colors that I saw in that picture, but you can choose any colors you want to paint your butterfly. I'm just dropping in a diluted mixture of the pigment to create a strong, vibrant contrast. You can use the following colors together: red and green, blue and orange, and yellow and purple. They are opposite each other on the color wheel, and they will create a very strong, vibrant contrast and appear more intense when used together. Then, if we look at light colors next to dark colors, for instance, white next to navy also creates clear contrast in brightness. Another example would be black and yellow, or pale pink and charcoal gray. Then if we can look at warm colors versus cool contrast colors. So warm colors would be red, orange, yellow, and cool colors blue, green, and purple. Using a warm color next to a cool color creates temperature contrast, and that will add energy or calm depending on the effect you're after. So why contrast matters in art and design is it draws attention, it's great for focal points, and adds visual interest, creates mood or emotion, and it improves the readability, especially in text over backgrounds. But now be careful, I just did it there. I added, I can't remember what I added on that orange. It must have been, let me see. It must have been blue that I added on the orange, and then it created brown. So how you mix brown? So if you want to mix brown, then this is the way to do it. But in a butterfly, I don't think we want brown, and that's what I did there. So if you mix red and green, you get brown. If you mix blue and orange, you will get brown. If you mix yellow and purple, you will get brown. So just be careful when you do colors like this that is going to blend together, that you don't mix colors that's going to cause an ugly brown color. Brown is normally just beautiful when used for chocolate. So the primary colors, as we know, are red, blue, and yellow. I don't have much luck with permanent white markers. So here I'm using an acrylic marker to do my white dots on the butterfly. So if anyone wants to give me advice on which white markers are the best to use, I will be so happy if you just drop me a note in the comment. And then this, I'm just using a normal black marker, permanent marker, for the body of the butterfly and also the outline. A little bit more just before we are almost at the end of this butterfly, but more information would be if you want to make something to lighten something, you add white or water to dilute it. And then if you want to make something cooler, a touch of blue. If you want to make something warmer, more red or yellow would do the trick. And then to darken something, add black or a dark blue like ultramarine. So that's my color advice for today. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this creative time encouraged your heart and inspired your hands. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow Colorful Faith for more art that brings color to your soul and meaning to your moments. Keep creating, keep shining, and remember you are deeply loved. See you in the next one.